Today we learn and understand very important topic in programming, which name is interface. If you want to learn concept of interface more deeply, then I recommended, please check our video tutorial. First one is void pointer and second one is concept of pointer to function. In this program, now first we create a structure name is interface. Inside this structure we create two pointer to function which name is add and view. Both pointer to function input parameter is void pointer and return void. Now next we define structure product and employee. Next we give short name of structure interface, product, and employee by using keyword type def. Next we create simple function signature or prototype for structure product and employee to input value and print value. For this, create function which names are add product, view product, add employee and view employee. All function input parameter is void pointer and return void. We know that void pointer can hold address of any data type variable. Now we understand function add product. This function input parameter is void pointer. Inside this function void pointer is convert or typecast to structure product pointer. After typecasting, we can input value to structure product easily. Same like we understand function view product. Inside this function again void pointer is convert or typecast to structure product pointer, then read input value and print. So the same code logic is available in add employee and view employee function, which belong to structure employee. Now we understand the logic of interface and how to use in main function. First we create the variable of structure interface, which name is IPE. Next create variable of structure employee E and product P. Next we use interface variable IPE and access pointer to function, which name is add. Then assign signature of add product function for structure product. Next call then pointer to function add, which define in structure interface by passing parameter the address of structure variable P. Again we repeat same steps for employee structure to input value. Now next to read value from structure product use again interface variable IPE pointer to function, which name is view then assign the function view product signature, then call function view, which define in structure interface by passing parameter the address of structure product variable P. Again we repeat same steps for employee structure to print value. To check output, compile and run. Hope example video is helpful for you to understand the concept of interface. Thanks for watching.